So today I'm going to show you how to change the tire on a 2012 Kia Rio. What we have is just something to block up the wheels so that it doesn't roll forward or back. And I have a 7/8 inch, basically just a lug nut remover. And you need your jack. And this is optional, but I really enjoy having a jack stand. It gives a little bit more stability and support. So I would say get one of these if you don't have one. They just keep the car from falling on you. So if we're changing this tire, I'm going to want to put these blocks on the tires in the front to make sure it doesn't roll forward or back. So I'm on a slight hill going down, so I want to make sure the vehicle doesn't slide forward on me. So out of abundance of caution, I always put it in front and behind the tire. If anything, this car is going to roll forward. If you were parked with your vehicle going uphill, you would want to put the blocks behind the tires so that it doesn't roll back down the hill. So just think of where the car is going to roll, and you want to put the blocks to prevent that from rolling. And again, I'll just put them on the other side as well. Doesn't do any harm. I'm going to come into the center console and I'm just going to pull up on the brake just to prevent it from rolling even further. So this is where gloves come in handy, because as you're doing this, you can imagine you'd scrape your hand against the concrete. You don't want to do that and get all bloody. So I'll show you under here. You can see here there's this ridge, and you can get onto the ridge to jack this up. I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to jack that up, and what you want to do, so you want the metal to just kind of rest here on the center. I'm going to do that now. While the tire is still in contact with the ground, you want to loosen up the lug nuts. Just make sure that you're going to be able to get them off later. Okay, now we'll jack it up the rest of the way. So as an extra safety precaution, I like to put the jack stand there and then lower it back onto the jack stand so it's a little bit more secure. I don't want the car to rock forward and back. It's just a precaution. And again, you're just resting that metal lip inside the V on the jack stand. Alright, so now we can take the tire off. We're going to loosen up the rest of the way. So then what we would do is take the old tire off. Then you would get your spare tire or another full-size tire, depending on what you have. You want to line up the 4 holes. Like that. Remember to put your cover back on. With this, you'll notice there's a little notch here. That notch needs to go where your Schrader valve is for the air. One thing that you want to be careful about is you don't want to over tighten any one of these before tightening all of them. So I'm going to just gently put these on, not over tightening any one of them. Now that it's fairly tight, what I'm going to do is going to lower this down, and then once it's in contact with the ground, I'll tighten it up the rest of the way. So I'm going to jack this up a little bit more. I'm going to get that jack stand out of the way. So now, we're going to lower the jack. So this is a jack.
That's a jack?
Yeah, it's a jack. Now that the tire's in contact with the ground, now we're going to tighten it up. So we're going to go here, 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 and if you had 5, you go into a star pattern. So you tighten it. So we're going to let it down the rest of the way. Now, to make sure that we're good, just like to make sure once it's in the ground, it's tight.
Look, that wheel is...
Yeah, I know.
Dad, you need help?
I'm good. Thank you. Just remember, remove the wood from the tires. Otherwise, you're gonna have a bit of a bump when you gotta drive. Just remember, you gotta release the parking brake before you drive. Otherwise, you'll hear a loud screeching noise and it'll feel like your brakes are on. And that's how you change the tire on a Kia Rio. Thank you for watching. Give me a like, please subscribe, and have a great day.